Okay. Gisa tayo muna. Lagay tayo ng oil. Lagay tayo ng garlic. Parami yung chicken breast ko. My chicken breast too much, so maybe I'm gonna put half of it. Half of the chicken breast sa chop suey ko. Okay, let's put soy sauce a little bit. Let's put a little bit. Okay, lagay na natin yung carrots, yung matagal lumambot. Boil this for 3 minutes, yung carrots. Okay, lagay ko na yung slurry. Ito yung cornstarch para pampalapot. Ilagay natin yung corn. Ay, kailangan palang putulin. I need to cut it, they're too big. So mix natin. Ang liit ng lalag. Ay, naku, it's too much again. Pesta na naman sa Toronto. Kain na po. Malapit na matapos. This is my healthy and nutritious chop suey for today's video. Ayan. Palambutin na. Pinalambot ko yung mga gulay ko. Malapit nang maluto to. Pinalitan ko yung wok ko kasi masyadong maliit. So, piyesta dito sa... Okay, this is already cooked. And, I forgot magic syrup. Ilagay natin to. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng whole egg. Ito ang pinaka